Good evening, sir. My name is Adrian Manuel B. Amorin, Program Base MT, Section S3H. Uh, Question is, what is the importance of OSH and PADAMs in your program, Base MT? In the Bachelor of Science in Marine Transportation or BSMT program, Occupational Safety and Health, OSH, and Physical Academic Disciplinary Aptitude, Medical, and Social PADAMs are critical components that help ensure the overall effectiveness and safety of maritime operations. To fulfill my dream as a successful seafarer, courses like this often focus on developing analytical skills, helping you assess situations on board critically and make sound decisions, especially during emergencies or complex navigational challenges. That's all, sir. Thank you.